Are you looking for the best single electric burner for cooking? With all the products available on the market, the process of finding the right single electric burner can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you, we've researched and tested many of the most popular products. With 6-setting adjustable temperature control from low to highest heat, Cuisinart CB-30P1 cast iron single burner is ideal for most people. It has a flat surface that is easy to clean, and the brushed stainless housing looks great on the counter. Additional features include non-slip rubber feet, to ensure that the hot pate stays firmly in place for safe use. And the indicator lights allow us to know when it is in use. It's perfect when you need an extra heat source for holiday cooking, or simply use it to keep food warm at a buffet station. Here are the specifications of this great product.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop. So let me just take this off so you can see something. This is the cast iron heating element. The element is underneath. It's really sturdy. And it's really great too, because if you happen to be a little, spill things a little bit here and there, it won't get down into the coil. So this part is brushed stainless. This is black accent. It's really simple and easy to use. It has 5 settings: off, minimum, and then all the way up to 5. So you might use minimum, let's say if you're trying to heat up some chocolate or keep something warm on the cooktop. The really nice thing about these cooktops, they're 1300 watts. They are really great to have around for an extra burner when you're entertaining or you're having friends and family over. It's also great for things like when you have like an RV and you need a little extra cooking surface. It's perfect for that. So there you have it, the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop.
Here's why we believe this model stands out from the rest. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.